round number 21, and in here we have to start with the raising loop and one single front post single crochet into this middle all around those three pieces. One loop and 3 double crochet front post into the middle one, into this one. One loop, 1 front post double crochet around this one, and 2 loops, and again 1 front post double crochet into the same this one element. 1 loop, 3 front post double crochet into the middle one, 1 loop, and again 1 front post single crochet, 1 loop again, don't forget to go around all of those 3, 1 loop again, and 2 pieces separate into the first, 1 single crochet, 1 piece into the arch, 1 loop, and again 2 pieces around the next one, 1 loop and front post single crochet. Let's see. 1 raising loop, I take 3 pieces and 1 loop again, then I go around the middle one 3 times with front post double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, 1 loop, around the middle one we make 1 front post double crochet and 2 loops again. Around it there are 2 loops and 1 loop again. Then we go into the middle one with 3 pieces. Everything is balanced and repeats itself. 3 pieces will be around and 2 pieces will be in between them with the arch. So here we made 1 loop, 1 front post single crochet and 1 loop again. And around the next one we make 1 and 2 front post double crochet, 1 loop, 1 double crochet into the arch, 1 loop again, and again 2 pieces around the next one of front post double crochet, 1 and 2, and 1 loop again. This way we continue the whole round. We have to go around the rhomb with the single crochet front post and 1 loop. Continue yourself. I'll see you in the end. Be just very attentive here. So I already made 1 loop and I have to make a slip stitch into the top of the front post single crochet like that.